Some wonders of our planet happen in plain sight, but the rarest, those seen only once in a billion moments, often go unnoticed, unrecorded, and unspoken. A towering tsunami forming in the deep blue distance. An undersea volcano erupting in a blaze of molten chaos far below the surface. A carnivorous plant catching its prey with terrifying precision. These are not scenes from fiction. They are real events sculpted by time, chance, and the raw forces of Earth itself. In today's journey, we uncover the unseen, natural phenomena so rare, so fleeting, that they're nearly lost to history. From isolated landscapes untouched by man, to bizarre atmospheric displays, to life forms behaving in ways we barely understand, this is nature at its most extraordinary. Are you ready to witness the moments the Earth rarely reveals? Then let's step beyond the familiar and into the awe-inspiring unknown. Carnivorous plants. In the hidden realms of marshes and rain-drenched jungles, some plants have flipped the script of survival. Instead of absorbing nutrients from the soil, they hunt. These carnivorous plants have evolved to lure, trap, and digest living creatures, usually insects, but occasionally small amphibians. Their traps can snap shut in less than 1 second, a speed rivaling animal reflexes. Some forms create deep chambers filled with enzymes, turning unsuspecting prey into liquid nutrients. In extreme environments, where the Earth offers little sustenance, these plants become silent predators, feeding on life to sustain their own. It's one of nature's rarest reversals, where the hunter is rooted and the hunted can fly. Reverse waterfalls. In rare and powerful windstorms, waterfalls defy gravity, rising instead of falling. known as reverse waterfalls. This phenomenon occurs when gusts exceeding 70 miles per hour blast upward against the falling stream, forcing the water to lift back into the air like misty ribbons. It's a fleeting, otherworldly moment where nature rewrites its own rules, transforming gravity-bound flow into an airborne spectacle. One in a billion, seen only when wind and water collide in perfect rebellion. Color-changing chameleons. A chameleon's color change isn't just camouflage. It's science at a cellular level. Beneath its skin are nanocrystals that shift position, reflecting different wavelengths of light. In less than 20 seconds, this creature can transform from earthy greens to electric blues or fiery reds, not just to blend in, but to signal mood, temperature, or dominance. It's a living mood ring, one of nature's most precise, light-bending illusions. Glowing mushrooms. Deep within the world's dampest forests, a faint green glow pulses from the forest floor. Glowing mushrooms, performing bioluminescence in silence. Unlike fireflies, their light isn't for attraction, but for survival. Scientists believe this glow lures insects, which then helps spread the mushroom's spores. The light comes from a chemical reaction between luciferin and oxygen, emitting a soft, eerie glow. Some species can shine for over 24 hours straight, creating an otherworldly spectacle that looks more science fiction than science fact. A true one-in-a-billion moment, hidden in the dark. Door to Hell. Deep in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan lies a fiery spectacle that seems torn from the pages of myth, the Door to Hell. This blazing crater, measuring over 200 feet across and nearly 70 feet deep, has been burning continuously for more than 5 decades. It began in the early 1970s when Soviet geologists accidentally collapsed an underground cavern while drilling for natural gas. Fearing the spread of methane, they set it alight, expecting the flames to burn out within a few weeks. But nature had other plans. What they created is not just a chemical fire, it's a rare, live window into Earth's underground gas systems. Scientists have studied its persistent burn to understand the composition of natural gas and its behavior in open-air combustion. The crater emits carbon dioxide, methane, and other hydrocarbons, but remarkably, the environment around it has adapted. Microbes that feed on methane, some previously unknown to science, thrive near its edges, offering insight into extremophile life that may mirror conditions on Mars. Hurricane Eye. In the heart of a raging hurricane lies a paradox of serenity known as the Eye. Spanning up to 25 miles across, this calm, almost surreal center is bordered by the Eye Wall, a ring of the storm's most violent winds and towering thunderclouds. While the surrounding winds can roar at over 150 miles per hour, the Eye remains eerily still, with clear skies and nearly no wind at all. Scientists believe this rare phenomenon forms due to warm air rising rapidly, then spiraling inward and sinking at the center. It's nature's quiet eye of chaos, so rare and fleeting, it can vanish in minutes or expand into vast calmness, all while the storm itself rages on. Barrel sponge spawning. In the stillness of a tropical night, one of nature's most mysterious spectacles quietly unfolds: barrel sponge spawning. These ancient sea creatures, some over 2,000 years old, release clouds of sperm or eggs into the ocean in synchronized pulses. This rare event lasts just minutes and happens only once or twice a year, often triggered by a full moon. Scientists believe it's a precisely timed strategy to maximize fertilization and ensure survival in the vast ocean. Capturing it on camera, a 1 in a billion moment, an underwater fireworks show written in the language of evolution. Great Blue Hole.